How to get the Mecha Break Beta. Hey guys, welcome back to the channel. The rather impressive looking Mecha Break is now finally available to play for everyone as a part of Open Beta on Steam application. So for this, you can just tap open your Steam account and log in. Once you open your Steam account, you can see for the Mecha Break or you can search for it via the search bar. Since its announcement last year, Mecha Break has continued to be an intriguing new title. Developed by Amazing Season Games, a Chinese game studio with various Japanese mecha designers on board, the game has seamlessly turned out to be alright. First of all, you'll have to join the Mecha Break playlist or playtest. Tap on Request Access, and once the access has been granted, you can play the game. Once you have started or requested the access and granted as well, you will see another interface whereby you can tap on play button and you're good to go. So this is how you can get the Mecha Break Beta currently on Steam application. So this is all for today's video. For more such contents, do not forget to hit the like and subscribe button.